Hello, welcome to Highland Park. I'm Kelly Myers, the principal, and I'm going to take my mask off so you can hear me a little bit better and can see my face. But we welcome you to the 2021 school year. And at this time, I would like to take you on a tour of our building. Come right on in. At this time, we're not welcoming visitors to our inside our building, but whenever you do come to school and need us for anything, you're welcome to give us a call first. But if you're on your way, be sure you come, push the button, and have ID with you, and we will be glad to help you. Come on in. When you come into our office, the first person that you might see is our attendance clerk, Diana Contreras.
Welcome to Highland Park.
The next person you might come in and see is right in here. Come on, Miss Y. Miss Shonda Yarbrough. She's our secretary bookkeeper.
Welcome to Highland Park.
And another person could be Miss Hardison. Hi. She's our assistant principal. You may also see this gentleman, Mr. Pruitt. He's our building operator and helps take care of the schools. And this is our gym. We'll have assemblies in here, and of course you'll come in here for our PE. Coach Kessner.
Hi. What's up, Tigers?
And in here we have music. Miss Dow. This is our cafeteria where we will be social distancing. Students will be sitting on the seats with the circle. Every other one. This is our hallway from the gym, but when you come down this way on this lower hallway, you have pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. So look at our mess, we're still getting ready for school. Another classroom that we have downstairs is one of our special education classrooms. This is Miss Jackson's classroom. Here she is.
Monday.
There's Miss Jackson,
Looking forward to seeing you.
Miss Leach, and Mr. Robert.
I'll see you Monday.
We have an awesome playground. Step right out here with me, and I'll show it to you. There we have plenty of equipment. This is for all our kiddos kindergarten and up. And over there is for our pre-K. Upstairs we also have art. Come on in here and take a look at our wonderful art room. Hello, Miss Farrell.
Hello. Hi, Tigers. Can't wait to see you.
Upstairs we also have all of our 3rd and 4th grade students. Upstairs we have our library. Come on in and take a look at this wonderful library. We have lots of books. And our librarian, Miss Brock.
Hey, Tigers.
And upstairs we have our school counselor, Miss Grice.
Hi.
Highland Park is also a Title I school-wide school, so we have a fabulous Title I team. Come on into the Title I book room and take a look. We've got lots of good things for everybody. Miss Judy. Hello. Miss Ballou. Miss Dorothy. Miss Holly. And Miss Diffenball. And every morning, Tigers, we start our day off with Tiger News with Miss Ballou. Come on in here and take a look at our studio. We'll say the Pledge of Allegiance and have a moment of silence each day and hear what's all happening here at Highland Park with Miss Ballou.
And watch it on YouTube.
Upstairs, we also have our special education teachers. This is our special education resource room with teachers, Miss Reed and Miss Luke.
Hi, Tigers. Can't wait to see you on Monday. See you Monday.
Upstairs, we also have our ELL classroom. We have several students that English is their second language. So we have 2 full-time ELL teachers that help us with our students that are needing to learn English. Miss Clifton?
Hey.
And Miss Nelson.
Hi. We can't wait to see you.
Students, we can't wait to see you on Monday, August 10th. If you arrive here at school between 7:30 and 8 a.m., you will remain in your cars until we meet you there, take your temperature, and then you will walk into our building through these gym doors. Every Sunday afternoon, I will give your parents a phone call, an email, and tell you what's going to be happening here at school for that week. So, as we say in my phone calls, and we sign off on our Tiger News every day, students, don't forget to let your light shine.